Hi, Michelle here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape structured data from TikTok Explore categories such as comedy, food, shows, cars, drama, or family. You'll get data on authors, text, music, uploaded, and engagement metrics like plays, shares, likes, and comments. Why would anyone need to scrape TikTok Explore data? Well, imagine you're a content creator chasing trending sounds, a marketer plotting a viral campaign, or a brand sizing up competitors and what your audience loves. To get ahead, you need real-time data on TikTok trends. You could waste hours digging through it, all by hand, or you can automate it. TikTok Explore Scraper pulls public data on viral videos, hashtags, and trends, making it quick, organized, and easy to scale. Now, let's see it in action. First, head up to the link in the description, which will take you to TikTok Explore Scrapers README on Apify store. Click on Try for Free, which will send you to the login page, and then you can get started with a free Apify account. Don't worry, it's free and no credit card is required. Once you log in, you'll land on the actor's input page. You can set it up with the simple UI or JSON, but we'll go with the intuitive UI to keep things nice and easy. To scrape Instagram Explore page, all we need is to pick what Explore categories we want to scrape. You can select multiple from the drop-down menu, or you can select all categories. Next, you can limit how many results you want. You will also have the option to download scraped videos. Under this tab, you can toggle if you want to include videos, thumbnails, subtitles, or download slideshow images. Finally, you have to set the minimum memory to 4 GB, since this actor requires it. And that's it. Before running your actor, it's a great idea to save your configuration and create a task. This will come in handy for scheduling or integrating your actor with other tools, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. Now that we have the input filled out, let's run the actor by hitting Start. You can watch your results appear in Overview or switch to the Log tab to see more details about the run. Now that our run's done, we can get the data via the Export button. You can choose your desired format and select which fields you want to include or exclude in your dataset. Then, just hit Download, and you have your dataset file. Let me show you what this looks like in JSON format. If you decided to also download your videos, head over to the Run Storage and Key Value Store tab. This is where you can view or download the extracted files. If you want to automate your workflow even further, you can schedule your actor to run at regular intervals. Choose your task and hit Schedule. You can set the frequency of how often you want to run the actor. You can even connect your scraper to other cloud services, such as Google Drive, Zapier, or any other Apify actor. You can also run the scraper locally via API. You can find the code in Node.js, Python, or curl in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. To learn more about retrieving data programmatically, check out our video on the subject. Are you interested in scraping profiles, comments, or posts instead? Check out our other TikTok scrapers. You can find them down below, or if you prefer video tutorials, we have a whole playlist dedicated to TikTok scraping. You'll find the link in the description. And that's all for today. Let us know what you think about the TikTok Explore Scraper. Remember, if you come across any issues, make sure to report them to our team in Apify Console. If this helped you out, drop a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the bell to stay notified about future content. So long, and thanks for all the likes.